Today I'm treating a topic that has to do with the meaning of the title Odogwu. So I read an article on social media where somebody attributed the meaning of Odogwu to Odogun, or however he spelled it, and said it is an Igala or Benin title. And I disagreed. First of all, I asked the writer a question. What is the greeting of the title called Odogwu? Because Odogwu is a title and there's a greeting that goes with it. Now, instead of answering the question, the writer said I should do a rejoinder. I'm not good in doing all those back and forth. So I decided to do a video. Perhaps this writer, who is from Enuani, a very prominent historian, he will watch this video and then debunk it in another video. I had to use a video because there are words that I will say that if I write them, you may not really grasp it. So, the title Odogwu, I explained the etymology of the word Odogwu. I also expect him to do the same in Benin or Igala. Odogwu is Odogwu. Odogwu. Any of these two goes, because Odogwu is an emissary of war. He is a warlord. He is the one who fixes war. He is the one who leads the war. He leads the fight. While Iyase is the defense chief, the Odogwu is the one who is like the captain. Odogwu, any of them. Not Ogu in terms of medicine, Ogu in terms of a fight. That is Odogwu. Then the greeting is Abe. Abe is A-B-B-I. It is also the name of a town in Anioma. What is the meaning of Abe? Because every Odogwu is called Odogwu Abe. While the holders of Odogwu title are greeted Abe. Abe simply means Kaibiri. Let's live. It's like you telling him, let there be peace. Because Odogwu is mainly known for war. Anytime an Odogwu appears in another community, he is an emissary of war. So whoever greets him, let there be peace. Kaibiri, let's live, let's cohabit, let's coexist. That is the meaning of Abe. I'm going to take you to a history book and let's discuss the meaning of the word Abe. Because there's only one community called Abe in the whole of Anioma. That is where the word Abe came from. So every Odogwu is greeted Abe. This community adopted the name Abe. So what is the meaning of Abe? Let's look at it. I'm going to read from page 80 of the book, The Story of Obolo Kingdom, written by Esther Nwogonu Wright. It's a historical documentary of Obolo people. And there is an Obolo community called Abe in Okwani. Let me read the meaning of the word Abe to you. When next the Abo messengers came to extract a tooth, Ogwazi, with the help of his hunting dogs, drove back the Abo messengers, killed some, and that ended the harassment. Ogwazi later met another man. These three men became friends and resolved for defense purposes to stay together, so they mapped out a place for their settlement. The spot is now located in Emovie quarters in the northern part of Abe. It was because of this agreement that Ogwezi left his settlement to settle in the new friends with whom he promised to protect. It was there in their new abode that they decided to adopt a name, Kaabiri, let's live together. It was from this Kaabiri that they took the name Abe. But soon a quarrel ensued. First, Ogwezi left Elovie and went back to his first settlement at Ukwoje, but decided to live midway between Elovie and Ukwoje. When Ogwezi Okwele, son of Obieke, died, he was buried at Ojiwoko, his first settlement. Now, they described Ogwezi as the first son of Eke. Eke is one of the Aboriginal settlers of Ubuluku Kingdom. it was described that there are a three tripartite team that founded Ubuluku in Ezemu, Anugwe, and Eke. Eke is the father of Ogwezi. Now, something led to Ogwezi's migration away from Ubuluku. That is not our interest in this discussion, but we will look at it someday because it is history. But this is the meaning of the word Abe. I'm directing this to the very man who is proposing that the greeting Odogwu belongs to Benin or Igala people. Now I'm telling you the meaning of the word Abe now. You can now go verify and come back to counter me with facts. Thank you so much for watching Edu and the Cultural Forum. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, my name is Prince Onwade Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Let us know what you think about the meaning of the word Odogwu and the meaning of the greeting that goes with the Odogwu title holder. Thank you so much and do have a very pleasant day. Bye.